Good day, good people. Weide-Market here. Today we'll be talking about making money while you sleep. Passive income looks like this, as far as my definition is concerned. Your skills, your experience, and your knowledge, plus leverage of time and money and experts that you either employ or consult with and get mentored by, generates passive income. How do we do this? According to Gary Vaynerchuk, there are two ways that have historically generated passive income. Here's what he has to say about it.
Passive income looks like this. You take money that you can afford to go to zero, and you put them into two places that have historically created passive income. Public markets, that you don't care if it goes up and down and you just wait to the end, or real estate, and you hope that your real estate area doesn't get crushed. Everything else almost doesn't exist.
Think of passive income as constructing a building. First, you need a plan, experts, authorities to authorize the plan and approve the plan. Then you need funding. After that, you have to put together a team that you trust to build the structure of the building. And then that team needs to build a strong foundation as well as build the structure that it'll be standing for years to come and safely house the assets that you have built into this building. Regardless of the type of building or system or vehicle that you put in place to generate the passive income that you want, you still need to understand the basics of money. According to Robert Kiyosaki, there are 6 words that we need to master if we wish to master money. These 6 words are income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and cash flow. These 6 words need to be mastered if we wish to generate passive income. The reality is that to be able to have passive income, you need to generate income first. Leave a comment below this video if you already have passive income and what your favorite type of income is. Remember to hit the like on this video as well to spread this video to more people on YouTube. Liking this video gives YouTube the signal that this is valuable content and that you are enjoying this content so that more people will be able to see that. I thank you very much. To generate income, we need to understand that it is possible to generate multiple streams of income. Here are 7 types of income, and although there are many other types of income you can generate, these are the 7 that I am working on in my life. Firstly, earned income. Earned income is what you earn when you work in a company or you work in your small business. Next is profit income. Profit income is income you generate from buying an object and selling it at a higher price than what you bought it at. This cost of sale includes your marketing, your time, and your efforts and energy that you put in to be able to sell this product. So keep that in mind when you set the selling price. The next type of income is where you start using your money to generate extra income. Here you start making money work for you. This is interest income. So some of the capital that you have available or the cash that you have available, you borrow that to someone else and they pay you back on interest based on the terms and conditions of your deal that you set up with them. The next is dividend income. Dividend income is the money you get paid for being invested in a company, either through private equity or public equity on the stock market. Capital growth is another type of income. Capital growth is the growth of value of an asset that you own. So that asset could be a real estate asset, or it could be a business or any other type of asset. Capital growth income is generated when you sell that asset. So it's the profit that you make from selling an asset. Rental income can be generated traditionally through real estate, but you can also rent out tools or a car or any other type of asset that you own. You can rent out and generate a rental income from that. Another type of income is affiliate income. This is when you sell or promote someone else's product and they pay you a portion of the generated revenue from the sales that you promoted. So as you can see, there are many different ways of generating income. The thing about money is, once you find a profitable job for it to do, it'll keep on doing that job diligently and continuously without complaints, without taking a break, without going on holiday, without breaking down, or any of those things that you have to deal with if you employ people in your business or otherwise. The trick is to get counsel from people who are wise in the handling of money. You also need to understand the flow of money. First, let's look at the cash flow quadrants from Robert Kiyosaki. The cash flow quadrants is set up with an E, an S, a B, and an I. The E quadrant is when you're an employee working for a boss. Your boss or the company you work for determines your income, and your income is limited by the hours in a day. Here you trade time for money. The S quadrant is when you're self-employed or even as a professional that own your own practice, working for yourself. You're still trading time for money. However, here you determine your own income by setting the price of your service, consultation, or product that you sell. The reason why it is said in the cash flow quadrants that you're still trading time for money as a self-employed person is because you still need to be actively involved in running that business, because you are the business. It is your practice, and if you are not present, your business will not continue operating. The next quadrant is big business or business system. Here Robert Kiyosaki explains that you own a system or you have created a big business where people do the work in the business without your involvement on a regular basis. Here you start trading money for time by employing experts and people in your business to do the work required to make the business run. You have a CEO, you have a COO, you have a CFO, and these guys manage the business on your behalf. Other business systems could be drop shipping. These systems generate income for you, and here you have passive income coming into your life. You have put an asset in place to generate the income you want. The I quadrant is the investor quadrant. Here you really start putting your money to work and find profitable employment for your money so that it can start generating income for you. If you've come this far in the video, I'm certain that you're enjoying this video. So please remember to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for future videos, and hit the like on this video so that it can be spread to more people on this platform. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to look at the flow of money as it is described in The Wealth Chef by Ann Wilson. Now Ann Wilson's backstory is that she did this while she was full-time employed as an engineer. So the idea is that you use the income that come into your life and put aside a portion of that money to start building assets. Once your assets start generating income, you want to use that income from your assets to delve it back into your assets and grow your assets to such a point where it becomes self-sustaining. Once your assets become self-sustaining, you can use the income from your assets to pay for the expenses and the liabilities in your life. By the way, in basic terms, assets are described or defined as things that bring money into your life, and liabilities are things that take money out of your life. So how do you make money while you sleep at the end of the day? As you can see throughout this video, there are various different types of ways you can generate income. There are different vehicles and structures that you can put in place to generate passive income. But at the end of the day, you still need to have income and use that income to create passive income. Passive income can be generated through the stock markets, on real estate investments, on livestock investments, which is something that has become more popular recently. And there are various platforms and options that you can use to do this. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, is another way you can generate passive income if you own those NFTs. That's a topic for another day and a completely different field of expertise. Another way of generating passive income is affiliate marketing, which I spoke about earlier, and then creating digital assets, as with this YouTube channel, can generate passive income through becoming part of the YouTube Partner Program. That is just one example of digital assets. So the possibilities of generating passive income is almost endless, as is generating income. At the end of the day, it still starts with developing the ability to generate income. If you are looking for different ways of generating income, I've created a playlist that you can find right here of different videos that I cover the topic of multiple streams of income and making your money work for you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, be blessed. I'll catch you on the flip side. Cheers.